Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and if you're new, where have you been? If you are new to the channel, I do wig reviews, clothing hauls, some black love, and some travel vlogs. So welcome. And if you like to see those type of things in your newsfeed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. Show you guys what I did really quickly. I went in with my blasting spray right here, and then I blow dried it, and then I cut the lace right here and right here, and I'm making sure that it is staying secure. So I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what I am doing behind the scenes. So today I am reviewing another Sensational Butta unit. They have like so many in their collection. I want to say the latest one is 9, which is the unit that I'm wearing. From what I'm hearing, that they are improving as they go along. The first one was like, apparently the first one wasn't that good at all. The lace was tearing. So I'm going to give you guys my thoughts and opinion on this number 9. So this is the Butta Lace Unit 9. I got it in the color Flamboyage Chocolate. And they have so many cute color names. They have some other specialty colors as well. And here is what the lace is, the difference in the lace. Apparently it's an HD lace, it's pre-plucked. And you know, it's supposed to be easier for you to put on. It blends with most skin tones. Ear-to-ear lace with wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair. Natural density hairline, and yeah, so I do think that this lace is pretty good. As you guys saw earlier, I did put the lace over my wrist and it was very light, so I went in with my Butta beauty blender brush and my Fenty foundation, and I went in underneath the cap to put a nice amount of makeup on it. And then, as you guys saw earlier as well, I did the molding of the lace in small little sections. Honestly, that technique didn't really work for me. Maybe because, I don't know, maybe because I was like, I wasn't trying to like sit around for minutes and minutes and minutes. But I felt like I got better results when I just cut the lace off and then I put the wig on and then I glued little sections by sections with the blasting spray. So if you have the glue, it might be a little different for you, but I have the blasting spray, so that's the technique that worked for me. I did cut a little bit of baby hairs, and you know, it was like, I'm still learning. It was a little bit of a struggle bus for me. I know where I messed up, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Overall, this unit is like, I want to say it's 50-50. I like it. I like the idea of it. I like the texture. I like the waves. I like the fullness. But when I took it out the package, it was like bunched, like the hair was like bunched together, and I was trying to run my fingers through. As you guys can see, I can't. So I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know if I've just been getting like bad units from people lately, but I haven't seen any other reviews, so I don't know what people are saying about this. But there definitely is some tangling. I do like the fullness of it. That's why I brushed it out. I'm feeling like, you know, Lady from Lady and the Tramp. Definitely feeling like one of them poodles with them big ears, or what are those called? They're not poodles. What are those called? I cannot think of the name of those dogs. But you know what I'm talking about. There is a lot of shedding with this unit. so much hair, and that was just me running my fingers through it once I was finally able to get my fingers through. So yeah, I think this, whoa, look at this. And this is not from me cutting the lace. This is just hair coming out. Let me try the back. Like, I can't even get my fingers through. This is crazy. That's a lot of hair. Yeah. So also my brush, you can see all that hair. It's the flamboyant gold hair. So yeah, I think this hair is good for photo shoots. I don't know about rocking, unless you want to put some mousse in hair and make it nice and like sleek and flat, then that's probably cool. But I don't know. I don't think I would wear this on a daily basis. I might wear this to like a special event, a birthday celebration where, you know, you have to get dressed up. But as far as every day, this is not something that I would consider wearing every day. Although it is really cute, and I feel like it photographs very well. It does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps back there as well. I would definitely say it is big head friendly. I did have to cut off extra lace, so it is air to air. And I will give you guys a 360. But yes, I do think it's a pretty unit. I'm just trying to figure out the purpose of it. You know, what use can someone get out of wearing this unit? It is tangling back here. So as far as the fullness, I'm okay with it getting a little bit bigger because I just feel like it's so luscious. But yeah, this is definitely a tangler. So if you're looking for some longevity, I wouldn't recommend. But if you're looking for something, you know, to get by from a photo shoot or a special occasion, maybe once or twice or maybe 3, I would definitely recommend it for that, but not for every single day wear. No. I got this unit on Wig Types, and it is on their website for $40. I don't know how much Sensational is charging these companies, but I do feel like the butter units are a little pricey. I don't know, I guess that's an okay price point, but I think for longevity wise, I would want something cheaper that I know can last longer. Like Sensational with the Curls, Kinks & Co units, you know, I feel like you can get some better usage out of those units as far as longevity versus the butter units. Yes, so life of a YouTuber, y'all. It's fun, but it's a lot of work. I do everything. Literally, I do my back job, I do my hair, I do my makeup. Like, I rearrange my entire apartment. It's a lot to film. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. But before we go, I want to highlight some Black businesses. My mother wrote a children's book. It's on Amazon. It's called Adventures of Sable Brown. It's about a little girl and her brother taking an African safari closet adventure. Check that out. The link is listed below. My husband and I started our own business on Amazon as well. We sell cooling towels. You get 2 in a pack. You wet the towel, you wring it, you shake it out, and it keeps you cool. It feels like an AC is on you. So if you've been doing biking during this quarantine, working out, some hiking, you know, if you're going to travel soon, or if you have kids and you want to go to the amusement park, it's an excellent product for those activities. Make sure you guys check us out. The link for that is listed below. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.